Stalking your prey. Fuck! Whoa, fuck! Alright, Jake, we're gonna light these guys up across the road.
Are they over there?
They're all across this trail. Yeah. Hey, Jake. He's gonna go that way. He's gonna go that way. And you're gonna go that way.
That way?
I mean, me and you are gonna go left. Me and you were gonna go.
We gotta watch our backs over there.
I know. We're gonna go this way. You're gonna stay on this side of the ambush, right?
Where are you guys going? You're going straight this way?
We're going this way.
You want me to go on myself and follow that road?
Yeah. Or should we all get out on the road first?
Yeah.
Let's all get out on the road.
Until we see somebody. Let's not go up until we see.
Watch.
Right there, right there.
Yeah. They're drawing fire.
Come on into the road. Shoot a little bit.
Where they at, Jake?
On this tree line.
To the left?
Yeah.
Jake, come over to this side. Cross over. I see him, I see him. You see him?
Yeah. Straight out down here.
I see him, he's up there. Watch to the left on the tree line. There he is. He's out. He's out.
Is that Josh?
Yeah. Watch your right. Hey, Sean, back him off. Hey, cover! Fuck. Watch out, Sean. Head, head!
Alright.
Oh, fuck. We need to ambush them. You think they'll come back in? Huh? You think they're gonna come back in?
I think there's a couple people over there.
There's a bunch down that way. They're sitting over that direction. Let's go straight up the middle, alright? Watch our back. Ready? Go. Jake, come on! Jake, let's go. Cut across. Come on. Straight across. Get these guys. Hit! 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 Let's just follow this trail. Hit the team on this side. Remember, we still gotta hit the people in that bunker. Yeah. He's backing off. That's the whole team. Alright. Basically that whole team's out, I think. You see that plywood straight ahead, Jake?
Yeah.
He's behind that. It's like with all the holes in it. Move up. Jake, watch right. They're out. Pull them away. Pull them back first. Get this guy. Jake, flank right. Watch your right though.
Jake, you're right.
Whoa, shit. Jake, cover. Watch him. Shit. Jake, you gotta give me some cover, man. Nice!